Hello, all my friends. Welcome to the weight loss journey that starts with you. So today we will show salad making and why we will use the salad, what it consists, how we like it more. We will answer these questions. So salads have important ingredients which are very rich source of fiber. So this is fiber, as we all know, it's very good for weight loss. It has minerals, vitamins, important ingredients that is needed for the body apart from the regular fats, which we have to avoid. It's good for heart, it increases the HDL levels, that is good cholesterol. Then in any combination you can eat all the raw veggies, which is good, which is not processed, so it is very good filling food. It makes you feel refreshed and energized and keeps you going for the day. So in any form, whether it's sprouts, whether it's macaronis, or even in the sprouted veggies or fruits, any form of salad is good because it helps in your weight loss. It keeps you going, it increases your muscle strength. So let's get started with this salad dressing that I'm preparing. With this dressing, you'll be able to eat every kind of salad. So let's get started. This is how it looks. So to prepare the salad dressing, first I have cut the salad in these sizes. As you can see, it's medium sized. I have to cut it in a long shape. I'm not cutting in circle. You can cut it in any shape you want. I have taken a carrot, cucumber, and tomato. Then I have taken this curd, from which we are going to make dressing. Now I have put here 1 tablespoon of half tablespoon of black pepper, and then half tablespoon of black salt. Then I'm putting in some chaat masala. This is as per your taste, how much you will like. So it's all according to your taste, that you can put masalas and everything. You can also put roasted jeera powder and amchur powder if you like. And then we'll mix it up. So these are the simple ingredients of the dressing, and we'll whisk it as finely as we could. Then we'll just top up these dressings on the salad that we prepared. So here I put all the dressing, and now I'm going to mix it well. You can also put some olive oil if you want. That will also go good with this. So here I have mixed it well, and now you can have it. This salad is ready. It's very diet friendly, very healthy. Delicious salad recipe with curd dressing. Please enjoy.